Making the creamiest hazelnut cold brew at home, Nakomi. So smooth, hey coffee lovers. Today we're making a smooth and refreshing hazelnut cold brew with sweet cream that tastes just like your favorite cafe drink. It's rich, slightly nutty, and perfectly balanced with a creamy, sweet finish. This easy recipe is perfect for warm days or whenever you want a coffee treat at home. If you love cold brew, this one is a must-try. Let's get started. Ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cold brew coffee, 2 tablespoons of hazelnut syrup, ice, and for the sweet cream sponge pup cup heavy cream 2 tablespoons, milk 1 tablespoon vanilla syrup or sugar. Directions: start by filling a glass with ice, then pour in your cold brew coffee. Add the hazelnut syrup and stir well to combine, giving your drink that warm, nutty flavor. In a separate small bowl or jar, make the sweet cream by mixing the heavy cream, milk, and vanilla syrup. Stir or shake until slightly thickened but still pourable. Slowly pour the sweet cream over the cold brew. Watch it cascade beautifully through the coffee, creating that signature layered cafe look. Give it a gentle stir before drinking, or enjoy the layers as they blend naturally. This drink is smooth, slightly sweet, and perfectly balanced with a creamy finish ideal for mornings, afternoons, or anytime you need a refreshing coffee boost. And that's your hazelnut cold brew with sweet cream. Smooth, creamy, and full of rich flavor, it's the perfect coffee treat to enjoy anytime. I hope you loved this easy recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more coffee creations. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next coffee video. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.